In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to fix matchmaking problems in Black Ops 1 on PS5. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by closing and reopening the game, like so. And if this doesn't work, you can try restarting your PS5 by going to this power menu here and pressing restart. You should also reset your router by unplugging it for about 5 minutes, then plugging it back in. And for the best connection, use an Ethernet cable. If you're using Wi-Fi, move your PS5 closer to the router or try a Wi-Fi extender. If you still can't find a match, try switching to a more active game mode, such as Team Deathmatch, Search and Destroy, or Domination. When playing in a party, try making someone else the host, and you can also press the touchpad and change the search preferences. Use default to find more matches or local to prioritize a stronger connection. And if all of those don't work, go to your PlayStation 5 settings and go to Network, go to Settings again, and press Set up Internet Connection, and hit Option on your internet connection, the option button, and test a different Wi-Fi frequency band. And if this also doesn't work, while you're still here, you could go to Advanced Settings, go down to DNS Settings and set it to Manual, and then set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Then reconnect and test matchmaking again. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.